I'm Professor James Adams, and I'd like to share with you our recommendations on vitamin and mineral supplementation for children and adults with autism based on 20 years of research we've conducted at Arizona State University. I'm also the president of the Autism Nutrition Research Center, ANRC. So vitamin and mineral supplementation is needed for individuals with autism spectrum disorder. We've known for close to 100 years, vitamins and minerals are essential for human health. But many children and adults with autism have poor diets with low amounts of vegetables, fruit, or protein. And most children and adults with autism also have a variety of metabolic problems, including mitochondrial dysfunction, oxidative stress, low glutathione, and abnormal neurotransmitters. We've conducted 3 previous randomized controlled studies of vitamin mineral supplementation for individuals with autism that have demonstrated significant benefits. In our first pilot study, our supplement significantly improved sleep and gut problems. In our second larger study, using an improved version of the supplement, we enrolled 141 children and adults with autism. This is a very large study for autism. Our supplement significantly improved many markers of nutritional status, metabolic problems, and overall autism symptoms. This study found many abnormalities in autism, including low levels of a variety of vitamins, low levels of ATP, the major source of energy for much of the body and brain, low glutathione, high oxidative stress, impaired methylation, very low sulfate, low neurotransmitters, low plasma amino acids, a subset of children with low iodine, low lithium, and higher levels of toxic metals. Our supplement improved almost all of these and normalized many of them. If we look at the effect on symptoms, this is a chart where 0 shows no change in symptoms, 1 is slightly better, 2 is better. Blue is the placebo group, and you'll see the placebo group improved somewhat on most of the measures, but the red is the treatment group, and the treatment group improved more than the blue group on all of the symptoms, and on quite a few of them, including overall and average of all the symptoms, there was significantly more improvement in the autism group, and also more improvements in receptive language, hyperactivity, and tantruming. So the treatment group did better than the placebo group. In our third vitamin mineral study, our supplement was combined with 5 other nutritional and dietary interventions in what we call the ANRC protocol. It's a 12-month randomized controlled study of 67 children and adults with autism. If we look at the group that was treated with all of these different combinations, we saw a 7-point gain in nonverbal IQ versus no change for the control group. We saw an 18-month gain in developmental age versus only 4 months for the control group. The vitamin mineral supplement, along with fish oil, were rated as the 2 top treatments, where 85% of the participants wanted to continue the vitamin mineral supplement at the end of the study. 11% said they were much better, 33% better, 44% slightly better, 11% no change. So generally very safe and also effective for many people. And so based on those 3 studies, we modified the vitamin mineral formulation and developed ANRC Essentials Plus. The special features of ANRC Essentials Plus include that it's a comprehensive vitamin and mineral supplement at optimal levels based on our pre and post testing in our clinical trials. It's a highly absorbable forms of vitamins and minerals. It provides mitochondrial support through CoQ10, carnitine, and many other nutrients. It provides oxidative stress support, including especially NADH, which is needed to recycle glutathione, which is the primary antioxidant in the body. It provides methylation support through the use of MTHF and vitamin B12. It provides sulfate, which is the 4th most common mineral in the body, 65% lower in children with autism. Most supplements do not have sulfate, but this is what children with autism need. Again, it's the 4th most common mineral in your body. Calcium is number 1. And it includes a small amount of lithium, a small dose to restore normal levels of lithium which is about half the normal level in children with autism. This is about 100 times lower when lithium is used as a drug. So it's a very safe level and seems to be helpful. This is now available from our nonprofit, the ANRC, which you can download from here. We also did a recent study in which we surveyed 161 children and adults who had used ANRC Essentials Plus for 3 or more months. On average, they'd been using it 12 months. We saw statistically significant improvements in overall autism symptoms, in language, in cognition, in play, in eye contact, in sleep, in tantrums and meltdowns, and hyperactivity. Overall, 73% reported moderate, good, or great benefit. 19% had slight benefit. Only 8% reported no benefit. So our recommendation is to try ANRC Essentials Plus for 3 months. Follow the recommendations to start at a very low dose, because it's a very potent formula. Gradually increase over 1 month to a recommendation for body weight. The advantages is it is about a 73% chance of moderate, good, or great benefit. This is comprehensive. It contains over 35 vitamins, minerals, and additional nutrients. It would cost you a huge amount to purchase those individually. To save costs, we're packing all of them into one supplement, which seems to be very helpful for most children and adults with autism. The cost to purchase these 35 ingredients, again, individually would be much higher. So it's available from our nonprofit at www.autismnrc.org. Give it a try. We hope it will help you. So we want to thank the many autism families who have participated in our research, and thanks for the funding from the Autism Research Institute, the ZUOC for Autism Research, and donations from many families.